I am so excited to be here for the 50th anniversary of the Cincinnati Home and Garden Show. And even better, my partner here, Daisy Jane's flower truck. She is ready for spring. We are really ready to get out there and have it loaded up with flowers, and you can come by, you can pick your flowers, a price per stem. We can build you a beautiful bouquet while you are here. And it's just the perfect feeling and thing to do as we gear up for spring. Really cool. It's the 50th anniversary of the Home and Garden Show. Daisy Jane is 54. The really cool thing is we're going to be popping up all over Cincinnati, so if you want to come and see us, you can follow us daily on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, find out where we're going to be every day. And also, maybe you want us to come visit your house. If you like getting flowers regularly, we do have monthly subscriptions you can sign up for as well. But again, we are just so excited to be a part of the show this year, and really excited to give something for people to take home, and especially something so beautiful. Flowers, you just can't go wrong.